How we doing, man? It's Eli here, back at y'all with another video. Well, I'm not gonna be too long this time. Well, the video's about to be 15 minutes, but I'm not gonna be too long. I just wanted to say thank y'all for watching the video. Enjoy the sound. I was thinking about putting lo-fi music on the video, so if it ends up appearing on there, then fantastic. If not, then I didn't put it on there. I'm sorry, my bad. But if it is on there, I hope y'all enjoy it. I'm gonna make sure it's not overly loud, so y'all can still hear the motorcycle and everything else that goes on in the video. Pretty much, audio on that bike is fantastic. It's got a slip-on exhaust from Aero, I believe. Yeah, it's got an Aero exhaust. The thing costs $2,000 to $3,000. I have no idea how much it costs, but it's a great addition. I hope y'all don't mind the motion blur on the thing. I had to literally buy software that creates motion blur because I don't have ND filters yet. I know, I'm working on it. I'm about to get me some. But so far, the software is doing a decent job. You know what I'm saying? I just got to do a better job at editing colors and stuff like that because it looks very orange-ish. And that day was a very orange day, so I thought it would only be fair if I just put it out there like that and had it be reality. It doesn't really matter. You know what I'm saying? It looks nice though, and I hope y'all enjoy the content. Let me know if y'all have any concerns, well, not concerns, any recommendations and like ideas as for like what I should be doing next as far as this channel goes. Because personally, I only plan on posting moto vlogs and stuff like that. As soon as I figure out my audio setup, I just need an SD card for my second mic, and I need to figure out a better positioning for the exhaust sounds. But as soon as I figure that out, content is going to be at the next level. It's going to be at the next level. I already know. I'm letting y'all know it's going to be at the next level. So y'all better subscribe, tap on the notification button. You know what I'm saying? And just wait for me to get some great content. I was saying in the other video, the night ride video, when I was talking about the comparison between the R6 and the Ducati, the R6 is very content friendly. You know, there's just something about that sound and the way it delivers power and the way the bike behaves in general, that's very friendly. You know what I'm saying? The Ducati is probably, especially a twin-cylinder Ducati, that's probably the worst decision you can make as far as like, recording content. It's probably the worst thing you can do. You can't stick a camera on there because it's gonna vibrate a lot. You know what I'm saying? So motion blurs, it's a no-go. You know what I'm saying? Stabilization is 100% needed, especially if you're using an action camera, unless the thing is on your chin. But then if it's on your chin, you can use it for anything, right? As far as looks go, you can't really beat that. It's a Ducati. You know how it is. You know, I don't really have to explain that too much. Thing's beautiful, especially in that pearl white. Beautiful, fantastic color. Just a check. One thing that I've always hated was women drivers, females. For some reason, they cannot fucking drive. And this right here will be the proof of that. Look at her blinker. She sees me right there. She sees me avoid the thing. Maybe I move a little fast, you know, with the motorcycle. But still, near death, close to dying. Like I said, it's my new hobby, I guess, but still. And then she's just gonna act like she didn't see me. She's just gonna look on the side, look off to the side, you know what I'm saying? Just keep on living. You know, but then if I turn around and I break her mirror or pull out a gun on somebody, then I'm the bad guy, right? I'm the bad guy. That's kind of messed up. It's kind of messed up. People need to pay more attention to motorcycle riders. And I think I kind of want to start a movement on that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna print out hoodies and clothes and stuff like that that say pay attention. Don't kill me. Sorry. You know I'm fast. Shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Stuff that makes sense to people. As long as they know, they know. If they don't know, good for them. But I'm not. My life is not gonna end because some random cager just decided to make a left turn without looking to the left. You know what I'm saying? The road is not yours, it doesn't belong to you. Please fucking pay attention. Another one right here, this fucking Asian guy. No hate to the Asians at all, none. But still, close to dying. Again, season 2. What the fuck are we even doing? Like, can we please just look? Like, can we look around? I know you hear me. I know you hear me. This exhaust costs $3,000. You hear me for sure. You know what I'm saying? Then he's also gonna act like he didn't see anything. So I literally had to dip at the light. Like, I didn't even want to stay there because I was like, man, he's probably gonna feel the guilt and just attempt murder, just finish the job. He's just gonna finish the job. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna end it all right there, man. But yeah, man, that's all I had to say about that. This shit is kind of stupid. You know what I'm saying? We need to, like, anybody that has a motorcycle, please just be careful. Be aware that there's stupid people out there that don't know how to drive. And this is Houston. Well, it's not Houston, it's Katy. That's Katy. But still. shout out to Toyota, man. Shout out to Toyota. But let's just pay attention to these fucking Lexus, right? Let's pay attention to the impeccable placement. You know what I'm saying? As soon as that light turns and we're allowed to move, let's just pay attention to the impeccable placement. See, I could have fit through that. Could have fit through that gap very easily. I just had the left. No, well, not. I could fit to the left too. To be honest, I could fit. But I just had the right, left. I would have been through. Right? She tried to block. Why is you blocking? You can't block me. I'm skinnier than the door. Skinnier than the door. Why is she trying to block? And people do that too often. Like, you'll be on the highway, and there'll be an 18-wheeler in front of you. In a small, very small car, very demure, very on the side, you know, chill, reserved. You know what I'm saying? And they know you can fit, but they still gonna try to block. Why is you blocking? It's not a block at that point. It's an attempt. It's a murder attempt, close to dying season 3. I'm not doing that anymore. Like, I kind of underestimate. I feel like I'm used to dealing with cars. You know what I'm saying? I'm used to my 550i, just big 5 Series BMW. You know, huge. Let's say mid-size, full-size sedan. It's a full-size sedan. You know what I'm saying? Used to that. So I'm not used to fitting in small gaps. So I got a reflex to avoid those most of the time. But it kind of rarely happens where I see an 18-wheeler and I look under and I'm like, oh shit, I could fit if I wanted to. I just had to lean. Now, as long as I can lean fast and it can turn, and as long as it doesn't turn, I can make it. And I can make it. I can make the turn. And I can make it. So I'm gonna start making these stupid ass decisions in these videos. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start making these in between cars, these white line turns. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully the cops don't watch my shit. You feel me? But if they do, well, I don't admit to any crime.